Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to register Coinbase Wallet, updated. Start by downloading the official Coinbase Wallet app from your device store and tap Create a new wallet to begin. Next, follow prompts to set a strong passcode and agree to terms. When the app displays your recovery phrase, write it down exactly and store it offline in 2 secure places so you can restore access if needed. Create a strong passcode and enable biometric unlock to keep your Coinbase wallet accessible yet secure. Treat the recovery phrase as the single key to your funds and never reveal it to others or type it into web pages. For extra protection, make a hardware backup or place a written copy in a safe deposit box. These steps reduce risk and keep you prepared to recover your wallet if your device is lost or stolen. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. They keep salads crisp and sauces sealed, ideal for busy crypto users on the go. I use them to carry lunches while I manage wallets and trades. Check the video description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After setup, fund your wallet by copying your address or scanning the QR code to receive crypto. Use the built-in swap feature for quick trades, keeping an eye on estimated fees and slippage. Always double-check the recipient address and network before sending funds to avoid loss. For security, send a small test transfer first, confirm it arrives, then proceed with larger amounts once you are confident the process works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.